Hey guys, in Simple is Best 12 today, I'm going back to basics. I'm taking out my brush and I'll be painting on three colors that I'll be blending in from darkest on the outside to lightest in the middle. And once that's dried, I'm going to be attempting the reverse dip flower type style that I've been practicing recently. Super simple, wet on dry, and I hope you guys like this. So I'm calling this 3D fluid art because it's totally 3D. And I learned a lot from this experiment. It was so freaking cool. First off, you have to have something to blow. So it's a blower, because when you pull the paper towel towards the middle, well, it pulls the paint towards the middle, so the outer part looks crappy. But it's fun to blow the paint. You get to position it like you want. And it's changing in time because of the cloud mix, creating those weirdo effects. It's cool. It's really cool, you guys. So I'm going bigger for sure. Not like 3 feet by 3 feet there, because I've experimented with more than one paper towel, taping them together to have like a huge thing, but it ain't as easy as it looks, you guys. When you pull up a taped 4-piece paper towel, yeah, I tried once and it didn't work out very well. So I'll experiment some more. And I hope you guys like this. I'm loving the colors. Stay tuned for the dried result. Back with the dried result, and it looks exactly the same. I'd say that maybe the knob in the middle darkened a little bit. Some of the blue darkened. And it's not 3D anymore. Obviously, I think I was overly excited when I said I'm going to call this 3D fluid art. Your paint would have to be extremely thick for it to actually stay up, you know? And if it's that thick, you won't be able to blow on it. But it dried perfectly. And my favorite part of this painting is the cyan, actually, in the middle here. Sorry, my finger switches up the color of the camera. Really cool. I'm loving it. Off to try this again. Hope you guys like this. Have a good one.